Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. According to the differences in beings' understandings, each sees the Buddha thereupon. Jewel branches hanging down, webs of lotus flowers. As the flowers open, enlightening beings emerge, each producing sublime, pleasing voices, praising the Buddha on his throne. Buddha's virtues are extensive as space. All adornments are born from them. The embellishing features of each particular state no sentient beings can comprehend. Diamond is the ground, indestructible. Vast, pure, level and even, nets of pearls hang in the sky, all around the enlightenment tree. The infinite colors of the ground are all distinct. Gold dust is spread all around, flowers and jewels strewn about, all beautifying Buddha's throne. Earth spirits dance with joy, with infinite manifestations in an instant, creating clouds of adornments everywhere, while remaining reverently gazing at Buddha. Jewel lamps, immensely large, shining extremely bright, fragrant flames and swirling light never ending. These manifestations differ according to the time. Earth spirits make offerings of these. All the adornments existing in every single land appear at this enlightenment scene. By the mystic power of Buddha. Then the great enlightening being, Jewel Light Topknot, empowered by the Buddha, surveyed the oceanic masses at the sight of enlightenment, and said,